To install the Spindle Client, select Windows Explorer and navigate to your Sage Servers install folder. On this environment, Sage can be found within the C drive and the Sage folder. The installation software for Spindle Document Management may be located within the Smith Cooper folder, the software folder, or the installer folder. Within either of these folders, you should see the Spindle Document Management Client. Double-click the Spindle Document Management Client to run the software. Select Next on the Install Shield wizard and accept the license agreement. Select Next to continue and confirm the location where the Document Management Client is to be installed. Select Next. Check the shared folder for Spindle document distribution is correct, or select the Change option to navigate to the appropriate path on your server. Select Next to continue. The server name and port number should be auto-populated. Check that these are correct and select Next. Select Install to continue. The installation may need your IT to help with any user account control prompts which ask for a password to complete the installation. The installation may take several minutes to execute. This video has been edited for training purposes. When the install is complete, select Finish. You will now need to complete the User Setup wizard. Select Next and enter the user details as appropriate. Select Next to continue. The default Spindle document distribution printer should be set to the default Windows printer. Select Next. The default for fax is usually set to none, however you can choose an option from the list. Select Next to continue. Select the emailing software you use. This would normally be set to Exchange/Office 365 Microsoft. Select Next to continue. Ensure the Microsoft Exchange configuration details are correct, then select OK to continue. If you are integrating with CRM, select the option from the list and select Next. This screen advises that 3 virtual printers will be added to your printers list. Select Next. When the setup is complete, select Finish to complete the installation.